The original gentleman's truck. This is the 2021 Tuscany FTX F-150. It's an awesome build by Tuscany Motor Company out of Elkhart, Indiana, which is now owned by Fox Factory. An impeccable build here, available at Reddick Brown Ford. We're gonna start out full replacement custom hood. They've redone the front grille, so you've got a blacked out front grille, replacement bumper with LED lights. Now they've done a suspension lift by BDS, which is gonna fit those 325, 60, 20 tires on, and a beautiful black and milled 20-inch wheel. Now, this has got the blacked out package, so you're gonna notice black Ford badges, black badging for FTX, so all your molding, any accents that are on there are gonna have that blacked out look. That's gonna have fender flares and your door cladding tie up this incredible look here on the FTX truck. This is one of the last remaining 2021 trucks that we've got here available at Reddick Brown Ford. 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty from Ford. Still gonna get your 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty from Tuscany to coincide with that warranty that you're gonna get. So rest assured, high quality product, Fox 2.0 shock upgrade. The interior is absolutely dynamite with Ford's new refresh on the 2021 F-150. The original gentleman's truck, 2021 Tuscany FTX F-150. You gotta watch this.